Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix W-8BEN form errors in interactive brokers. So let's start with the first step, which is to log into client portal at portal.interactivebrokers.com, and on the tax form page you will see a red W-8BEN rejected banner with the exact reason. Most commonly is the missing foreign tax ID, which is part 1 to line 6. Or a name, country, or the mismatch. So you just have to tap on update form to start the fix. Next is go to settings, tap on account settings, and then go to tax forms. Or you can also click the tax document in the documents in the sidebar. Now under the W-8BEN certification or the foreign status, you have to click on the red start or update W-8BEN button to open the guided 5-part form. Next is fix the part 1, which is add your foreign tax ID. Now in part 1, you have to confirm your legal name and permanent residence match your passport exactly. So the number 1 rejection cause is line 6, which is you have to enter your foreign tax identifying number or the FDIN. Now from your home country or the TIN, NIF, BAN, CPF, and etc. So you have to leave the U.S. or the SSN or ITN field blank if you don't have one. Next is claim your tax treaty benefits or the part 2. So in part 2, you have to select your country of tax treaty and then tick the certification box and enter the treaty article and reduced withholding rate, like for example, the Article 12. Paragraph 2, 15% on dividends. So type your full legal name as the electronic signature and today's date, and then click Submit Form. Lastly is confirm approval, so you will see a green check mark or W-8BEN submitted successfully. So this is valid until December 31, 2029, so the status flips from rejection to approved within 24 to 48 hours, and the reduced treaty withholding rate applies to your next dividend or interest payment. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!